Hi, hello boys and girls, welcome to science. We are going to do our blizzard in a bottle today. So, first things that you need is, you need a mason jar, or you can use any type of jar container. I just use the old pickle jar. You have some white tempera paint, glitter, some Alka-Seltzer, water, and baby oil. So the first thing we want to do is, first we're going to take our lid off of our jar. Now we're going to pour some baby oil in our container. Okay, that should be enough. Next, we're going to pour some water in the cup. And we're going to add some tempera paint, white. Mix it in. Now, because I really want it to be fizzy, let me add a little bit more baby oil. Good. Now I'm going to add my mixture of paint and water. Next, I'm going to add a little glitter. Then you're going to get your Alka-Seltzer. Break it into pieces. Just like this, and then put it into the jar. And let's watch and see what happens. Beautiful. There goes our snowstorm, our blizzard in a jar. Look at that. Okay, so I hope you had fun with this experiment. I thought it was wonderful. We'll do it again next week when you come in. Okay, bye.